Ninth Standard Science Unit 23 Economical Biology. Choose the correct answer. First one, the product of management of fish is called pisciculture. Which one of the following is not an exotic breed of cow? Sahiwal. Third one which one of the following is an Italian species of honeybee? Epi mellifera. Which one of the following is not an Indian major cap? Singara. Domes in the honeybees colonies are formed by a unified eggs. Which one of the following is an I milk yields areas of milk? Holstein Friesian. Seventh one. Which Indian varieties of honeybee is commonly used for apiculture? Option D. Epi indica. Eighth one. Dash is the method of growing plants without soil. Option B. Hydroponics. Ninth one. The symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plant is Microntiaceae. Option C. Tenth one. The plant body of mushroom is dash. Option D. Mycelium. Fill up. First one. Carulla drug is formed of CIHCHONA Cyanana officinalis OFFCINALS. Dash is the method of growing plants without soil. Option B. Hydroponics. Ninth one. The symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plant is option C. Micronancia. 10th one. The plant body of mushroom is option B. Mycelium. Fill up. Carulla drug is formed from CIHCHONA Cyanana officinalis OFFCINALS. Caripica papaya leaf can cure dash diseases. Dengue diseases. DENGUE. Dengue. Third one. The vermicompost is the type of soil made of earthworms and microorganisms. Fourth one. Aquaculture refers to the culture of prawns, pearls and eligible ophions. The largest member in the honeybee is the queen bee. Queen bee. Sixth one. Formic acid is a preservative in the honey. Seventh one. Polyculture is the method of cultivating different varieties of fish in the water body. Third one. Say true or false. If false, correct the statement. First one. Microbrisa is an angi. Angi இல்லை, அது ஒரு ஃபங்கி தான், அதனால் false. Milch animals are used in the agriculture and transport. Third one. Third, Floro is a rock bee, not little bee. False. Fourth one. Olgala is a exotic bee, beats of cattle. அது ஒரு கோகல், PUAL, போகல். False. Fifth one. Sheep manure contains high nutrition than farm yard manure. True. Fourth Roman letter. Differentiate the following. sixth Roman letter answer the briefly. First one இல்லை, third one இல்லை, மற்றதெல்லாம் first one third வந்து reduced portion. Second one வந்து what are the type of vegetable garden? 273, 274. இல்லை, fourth one வந்து enumerate the advantage of vermicompost over chemical fertilizer. 284. Fourth one, advantage of vermicompost. Vermicompost is a dark brown in color and similar to a farmyard manure in color and appearance. It is a rich source of nutrition external for plants growth. It makes the soil fertile. Third point, it improves the water holding capacity and helps to prevent soil erosion. Fourth point, it contains valuable vitamins. இது அடிச்சுக்கலாம். Growth regular substance for increasing growth yield of plants. Fifth, it encourages decomposition of organic matter in soil. Sixth, vermicompost is free from pathogens and toxic element. Seventh, vermicompost is rich in beneficially microflora. Fifth one, what are the species of earthworm used for vermicompost? 283. Vermitechnological. Third para, earthworms specifically used for vermiculture. The earthworms used for vermicompost production are Firmix excavations, Indian blue worms, External frida, red worms, Eulandrius elancania, African ninth clavender. Fifth answer. Sixth, list the medical importance of honey. 5 answer. Sixth one, uses of honey. First point, honey has an antiseptic and antibacterial properties. It is a blood fluid. It helps in building up of hemoglobin contains in the body. It is used in Ayurveda and urinary system of medicine. Fourth point, it presents cough, cold, fever and relieves slow throat. Back 286. Fifth point, it is a remedy for acute stomach and intestine. It affects disease decorations and apparent. Sixth, இதுலேருந்து 285 uses of honey. அதுலேருந்து 286ல இது வரைக்கும். Sixth answer. Seventh Roman letter answer in detail. First one second one இல்லை, third one இருக்குது. What are the sources of organic resources for vermicomposting? 284. Vermicompost 284. Vermicomposting material. Vermicompost material. Biological degradable organical waste are used as botanical organical resources for vermicomposting. They are agriculture waste, crops design, vegetable waste, sugarcane rust. Second point, crops reduce rich start tree waste real and pellets reduces rich act tobacco waste, core waste, leaf litter, fruit and vegetable waste, animal waste, cattle rungs, poultry druffing, fig slurry, goat and sheep droppings, bigger slurry. Vermicompost material வந்து bigger slurry வரைக்கும். Classify the different breeds of cattle with suitable example. 279. Cattle breeding. The Indian cattle includes cow and buffaloes. First point, cattle breeding breeds போட்டு first point வந்து the Indian cattle includes cow and buffalo. Second point, they are domesticated for milk, meat, leather and transportation. Third, they belongs to two different species. Fourth point வந்து Bos indigenous Indian cow and bulls and Bos bubalius buffaloes. Fifth point வந்து these cattle animals are related from milk and form labels. Sixth point, they are classified into three types: daily beats, draft beats, or draft beats, dual purpose beats. Daily beats heading போட்டு dairy beats heading போட்டு dairy dairy animals are domesticated for obtaining milk. First point. Second point, the cow's milk producing female are high milk elders, milch animal. Third point, the dairy beets are indigenous beets and exotic beans. Intertious bean. ஃபஸ்ட்டு கேட்டில் பீட்ஸில் வந்து ஓகே நான் இதே சொல்லிடுறேன். இன்டர்ஷியஸ் பீட்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாயிண்ட், negative of India. Second point, they include Sahiwal, Red Sindhu, Bihar, Algir. Third, these cattle are well built with strong arms, promoted arms of loose skin. Fifth, milk production depends on the duration of the lactation period. Fifth, Fifth, these local beats animals slow excellent resistant to diseases. Exotic beats heading போட்டு first point, imported from foreign countries. Second, they inclines Jerry, Blounsifts and Alogan Ferristrian, etc. Third, these foreign beats are selected for long lactation period. B, draft or draft beats heading. First point, they are used for agriculture work such as drilling, irrigation and catering. Third one, these includes Amitramal, Kangalayam, Umarabranchi, Malavi Sri and Alankar beats. Fourth point, bullocks are good draft animal. C, dual purpose beets. The animal of these beets provides milk. Second, the bulls are useful for warm work. The Indian these beets are favorited by farmer. They includes Haryana, Onagul and Tarapakara. Fifth question, cattle beetsலேருந்து இது வரைக்கும் எப்படி நம்புனா கேட்டில் பீட்ஸ் ஹெட்டிங்கா அதுக்கு வந்து கிளாஸிஃபிகேஷன் வந்து 3 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. டெய்லி பீட்ஸ், டிராஃப்ட் பீட், டியூரல் பர்பஸ் பீட்ஸ். டெய்லி பீட்ஸ் வந்து 2ஆக பிரியுது, இண்டிஜியஸ் பீட்ஸும் எக்ஸாட்டிக் பீட்ஸும். அப்புறமா டிராஃப்ட் பீட்ஸ், அப்புறமா டியூரல் பர்பஸ் பீட்ஸ். அதை பாயிண்ட்டை தான் நம்ம பிரித்து எழுதணும்.